What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 8. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change the keyboard language or how to add a second language keyboard on the iPhone 8. If you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. So first thing I'm going to do is just going to go ahead and show you guys that this device only has one language on it by going into Safari. You can go ahead and search whatever. As you guys can see, all I have here is just the current English keyboard with a smiley face emoji and a little speaker to talk for speech to text. So what we're going to want to do is start off by going into our settings. From settings, we're going to want to scroll down till we find general. From general, go ahead, scroll down till we see keyboard. Go ahead and select that. And from there, right at the top, it says keyboards. Select that. As you guys can see, we have the English keyboard and the emoji keyboard. So if you wanted to add a keyboard, what we're going to want to do is add new keyboard. Select that, and from here there are just some of the languages that are already set on the device. So you can go ahead and select from one of those. So let's just go ahead and select Russian. And just like that, we have Russian selected up here as one of the three keyboards. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this screen. I'll go back into my web browser. And from here, you guys can see that right down here, the little emoji smiley face turned into a globe. So you go ahead and select that. So just telling us that the alternate keyboard, tap the globe key once to switch to the last used keyboard. Continue tapping to access other enabled keyboards. Tap and hold to show all enabled keyboards. Just a little tip, a little trick there. So what we're going to want to do is just so we have the English language now and we hit that so it pops up with the emoji keyboard, and then once again we can see on the left side here there are some more letters. We're gonna go ahead and select that, and just like that we have the Russian keyboard there. So just like it said, if you press and hold, it'll pop up to what we have. We have English, the emoji, and the Russian, and then there are keyboard settings as well. So we can go ahead and select that, and it takes us back to that screen with the keyboards. So let's say you have several keyboards up here and you want to get rid of them. The way to do that is by hitting edit. And then let's say the Russian, we want to remove that, select it, and then hit delete. And it just removes it from the list. So once that is done, you hit done. And we can go, once again, go back into our messages, and we could see that it's back to the way it was with just the emoji keyboard and the English ABC language. So that is how to add another language keyboard on an iPhone 8. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody who is looking for this information, please do share it with them. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and drop in the comment section below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.